Guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be making another dirt to clay video, but this time I'm going to be making a simpler, easier to do, it's basically mud, but like it's got way less water, so it acts like clay, and then we're making a fireplace out of it. That's going to be right here. Since nothing's here, there's not very much grass, we're just going to shovel out a little flat area and make a little fireplace out of the clay, and then burn a fire to dry it all out. So let's get started. First, we're going to dig out a little trench that's a circle right out of the middle, and keep all the dirt for later. Okay, so I just finished digging out a sort of round circle hole. It doesn't go that deep, but it should be good enough to do the fireplace in. You gotta make sure most of this like grass and stuff, dead grass, isn't around it, so that in case like the fire gets out somehow or the wall breaks or something, then none of this gets burned with the fireplace. So the next step of doing this is finding a bucket. So I'm gonna go find a bucket. It's just an ice cream pail. That should be good enough, and I'll be right back. I have found an ice cream pail. That's really all you need. And you're gonna take a bunch of this dirt and scoop it into the bucket, and then you're going to use your hands and try to crush up the dirt into as fine as you can get it. I'm just doing this by hand because showing everyone that anyone can really do this, but you're just trying to get it really fine. Shake it around a bit. You don't really want to have any of these in because that'll burn, and just try to ultimately just like rub it around until it's a little bit smoother. So I'll get to doing that. Okay, so after you ground it down quite a bit, or like as much as you feel necessary, you're going to add, let's say, about a 3-to-1 ratio of 3 dirt and 1 water. And then you're just gonna keep mixing it. See, this dirt's pretty good because it already does that. If you watch my clay video, you know the dirt like this is better. Oh, a centipede. You know, the dirt like this is much better for clay because it's got a small amount of clay content in it. There you go, buddy. Yeah, try not to make any centipedes into your clay. That would be very bad for the centipede. Right, so I'll add in the water, grab the water. I have acquired the dirt in a cone, the water in a cone. Don't ask me why, it's the first thing I found. So I'm just gonna pour it all in. I think that's about it That's about all I should need. And you're gonna have to use your hands for this. Oh no, use hands, such a foreign concept now. And just basically mixing it in like you would anything else. I mean, you can use something else to mix this, but I feel it's just not worth it. I just use my hands. Alright, so I found about all the rocks I should need, and I'll arrange them in a circle so that, and I also found this convenient rock I'm going to use as a little cooking sort of surface. But that stays off till later. I've just figured out that before I lay the bricks down, I gotta lay on a layer of the kind of clay and then lay the bricks down, and that should work better. Okay, so I have completed this little mini fireplace. Used up all of the little, cement I did. Still got quite a bit of dirt left. So I've completed that, and I'm going to make a little fire in there. That's the next part. I'm going to make a little fire so that the fire and the heat of it can harden the clay, kind of like a kiln. So let's get that fire going. So I got my newspaper, my sticks, and my wood, and my lighter. So I take the sticks, lay them over top. Gotta make sure there's a place for air to get in. This is not the greatest fire, I know. Probably the worst way to make a fire. But it should work, theoretically. So you got the sticks covering it. I'll add those a bit later. So now you will be able to see stuff. Create a fire. It's got to burn all the sticks, and the paper is just to ignite the sticks. The paper is not the fire. Everyone should know that. You do not. I'm going to have this fire burning for pretty long just so I can actually harden the clay. Or try to. Doesn't work. Well, I tried. Ooh, almost burned myself there. Did the sparky sparks coming to play? Did it burn me? It kind of did. Oh well. So we made little fire. It's kind of green. It sticks. Smoky. There's not very much wind. So it's kind of just there. So the sticks are kind of lighting. I'm gonna grab some more so that it can light even better. Problem is, I can't see anything. Probably gonna be pretty warm over here too. My little fireplace. Break up a couple sticks. The usual. There we go. So we got a little fire going, kind of. It's not really lighting the sticks. I hope it does. So that, I think it lit some sticks. So if it lights the sticks, it can actually kind of harden the clay. This fire's probably gonna have to go for a while to do that. Oh, did it all burn out? Oh no. Probably shouldn't get close. Come on, make a new fire. Burn, sticks, burn. gonna have to go run and get recovery newspaper, aren't I? Oh no, it might work. Look, a baby fire. Ooh, it looks pretty weird on the camera. No? Yeah, I'm gonna go get some recovery newspaper and I'll get back to you guys once the fire is actually working. Okay, so it's been burning for some time more, and as you can see how it was super malleable in my hands, it is definitely in the inside way less malleable. It's definitely working, I'm pretty sure. Well, that's like, no. I'm pretty sure it's working. And I think those pops are like trapped air bubbles expanding and then like popping out. I'm not sure. I'm like not really. I'm only in grade 7, so can't really do anything about that. I don't really know about that yet. So yeah, I think that's why there's so many vapors coming off such a small fires, because of the air, the water in the clay. See, if you look down at the back there, right over there, kind of hard to see, but it's getting more like crispy over there. Let's see if I can poke it with a stick. Definitely more crispy. So I think it is working. And the smoke is attacking me. So I'll check back in with you guys again once a little more progress is happening. Okay, so the fire burned for about an hour or so. And I used quite a big pile of wood. Well, you can't really see anything. It was about the size of the fireplace itself, the fire pit, and it was pretty big. So it's almost all done. It's got that little bit left. It's not smoking very much anymore. Oof. And it made a lot of popping, which now I'm pretty positive is the air expanding and like it making a little explosion. But yeah, nothing else got lit on fire but the fire pit, which is good. Usually you don't want anything else to be lit, but usually you don't want anything but the fireplace to be lit. In the morning, I'll come back, check on it, and make sure it's all done, and that's the video. So stay tuned for the next part where I'll show you how I'm gonna make the oven and the rest of it. That'll be probably 2 parts. So thanks for watching this video all the way to the end if you did. Hope you guys enjoyed this and learned something. And we'll see you in the next video.